Dear students, let us today study about corporate accounting. This is one of the topic in the BBA as well as MBA. Corporate accounting is a specialized area within accounting that emphasizes recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions and facts for companies. Its goal is to offer correct and transparent financial statements that mirror the overall financial performance and economic role of an organization. Corporate accounting guarantees transparency with the aid of accurately recording and reporting economic transactions, permitting stakeholders to make informed choices, like balance sheet of the company. It ensures compliance with accounting standards of rules, selling suitable governance and obligations inside the business agency. It affords essential economic records and evaluation to guide strategic planning, aid allocation, and performance assessment. It permits perceiving, investigating, and mitigating economic risks and rewards. It discusses safeguarding the business enterprises' belongings and enhancing resilience against uncertainties. Corporate accounting explained. Corporate accounting encompasses the systematic procedure of recording, summarizing, and speaking monetary statistics of an enterprise to its stakeholders, originating from the need for structured economic manipulation. Corporate accounting has developed along company practices, regulatory requirements, and technological advancements. Its root trace back to the emergence of present-day trade and development of double assess bookkeeping in the Renaissance era. Luca Puccioli, an Italian mathematician, is credited with formalizing this tool in the seminal painting Summa de Arithmetica in 1494. Since then, corporate accounting has advanced into an advanced discipline shaped by the complexities of commercial enterprise operations. Process. Corporate accounting includes numerous interconnected steps aimed at recording, summarizing, and speaking monetary data about a business. Transaction recording. The procedure starts with the recording of financial transactions, including income, purchases, investments, and costs. This step entails taking pictures of relevant records along with transaction amounts, dates, and descriptions. Journal entries. Recorded transactions are then entered into the perfect journals in which every transaction is categorized based on its nature and account affected. Posting to ledger journal entries are published to the respective ledger dates. It includes bills receivable, bills payable, coins, and inventory. This step entails updating women's accounting balances to mirror the effect of the record transactions. Trial balance. A trial balance is created to confirm the equality of debits and credits. This also ensures the accuracy of the transactions that are published and recorded. Making financial statements an overview of the agency usual financial overall performance gives an arrangement of the financial statements. They adjust the trial balance and supplement the earnings statement, balance sheet, and cash drift declaration. External reporting and compliance. Finally, the prepared economic statements are communicated to outside stakeholders, including customers, lenders, and regulatory government, in compliance with relevant accounting requirements and regulations. Types. Corporate accounting encompasses numerous sorts tailored to meet a specific reporting needs and regulatory necessities. The number one sorts consists of financial accounting. This type of accounting specializes in making prepared financial statements for outside stakeholders, collectively with consumers, creditors, and regulatory authorities. Usually follows generally accepted accounting principles or international financial reporting requirements to ensure consistency and comparisons in monetary reporting. Managerial accounting Managerial accounting is closer to offering inner stakeholders, which include management with applicable monetary facts for decision making and overall performance evaluation. It entails value analysis, budgeting, variance evaluation, and forecasting to aid strategic planning and manipulation inside the business enterprise. Tax accounting involves the education and submission of tax returns in compliance with relevant legal tax guidelines and policies. It makes a place of knowledge in maximizing tax efficiency, minimizing tax liabilities, and making sure of compliance with tax reporting requirements on the nearby national and federal degrees. Auditing. Auditing involves the independent exam of monetary statistics and statements to evaluate their accuracy, completeness, and compliance with accounting necessities and suggestions. It seeks to assure stakeholders regarding the reliability of the economic records provided. Forensic accounting. Forensic accounting involves the research of financial facts and transactions to discover capability, fraud, misconduct, or economic irregularity. It utilizes accounting, auditing, and investigating strategies to aid legal lawsuits and remedy financial disputes. Example 1. Imagine a multinational retail corporation, Global Mart, running in diverse international locations. Its company accounting department oversees economic exports across all subsidiaries. For example, while Global Mart expands into a new marketplace, its corporate accounts are liable for setting up accounting structures compliant and neighborhood regulations. They coordinate with neighborhood teams to ensure accurate recording to income expenses and taxes. Additionally, for the duration of quarterly reporting, company accounts consolidate monetary records from all subsidiaries, analyze performance metrics, and put together complete financial statements for stakeholders and regulatory bodies. Suppose Global Mart launches a sustainability initiative, corporate accounts, music, associated fees reveal the impact on profitability and prepare disclosures highlighting the company's dedication to environmental duty in its annual file. Though diligent company accounting practices, Global Mart continues economic transparency, regulatory compliance, and strategic decision making abilities throughout its worldwide operations. Example 2. In 2023, the Financial Accounting Standards Boards conveyed the risk nature of Bitcoin in new corporate accounting requirements. FASB's float displays growing popularity of cryptocurrencies' effect on financial reporting. The standards aim to offer extra unique tips for agencies protecting Bitcoin acknowledgements, its fees, fluctuations, and the need for fair price measurement. The FASB emphasizes the importance of transparency in financial reporting, using companies to re-examine and replace their accounting practices to mirror the unstable nature of Bitcoin appropriately. This shift indicates a reaction to increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies via organizations and the demanding situations they face in incorporating these belongings into conventional accounting frameworks. The FASB's proactive stance objectives are to enhance consistency and reliability in monetary reporting amid the dynamic landscape of virtual property. Importance. Corporate accounting holds enormous importance because of several key reasons. Financial decision making. Accurate and evident monetary data provides the aid of company accounting and permits stakeholders to make informed choices regarding investments, financing, and operational strategies. It lets buyers have a look at the profitability and financial health of the commercial enterprise company in advance rather than committing capital. Access to capital. Well maintained economic information and statements are crucial for agencies looking for financial from lenders or investors. Creditors and investors get confidence from corporate accounting. It is also a valuable tool that shows that firm can adequately manage its price range. This enhances the organization's capacity to obtain money at attractive rates. Legal and regulatory compliance. Organizations have to adhere to accounting regulations and recommendations. It ensures adherence to regulatory necessities, minimizing the risk of crook effects and regulatory sanctions. Risk management. Effective company accounting helps perceive and mitigate financial dangers. This is along with cash flow shortages, immoderate debt levels, or fraudulent activities. For your organization's financial stability, it provides early signs that allows proactive hazard management strategies. Difference between corporate accounting, public accounting, financial accounting. Corporate accounting, internal financial management is there. Public accounting, external auditing and advisory. Financial accounting, external financial reporting. Corporate accounting, management and internal stakeholders. Public accounting, external stakeholders including clients, investors, and regulators. Financial accounting, investors, creditors, regulatory authorities. Corporate accounting provide information for internal decision making, planning, and control. Public accounting offer auditing, tax, and advisory services to external clients. Financial accounting prepare financial statements in compliance with accounting standards. Corporate accounting compliance with internal policies and procedures. Public accounting compliance with professional standards and regulatory requirements. Financial accounting compliance with generally accepted accounting principles or international financial reporting standards. Corporate accounting, internal financial reporting, budgeting, cost analysis. Public accounting, external audit, tax planning, consulting and advisory services. Financial accounting, preparation of financial statements, bookkeeping and compliance. The key goals encompass making sure of the well-timed and accurate recording of monetary transactions. This also adheres to accounting requirements and necessities and compliance with legal and regulatory necessities. Corporation accounting desires to facilitate decision making by means of presenting relevant and reliable information to diverse stakeholders. Thank you. This is all about the corporate accounting.